I have a haul for you guys. So many goodies this week at Dollar Tree. I went overboard. So I'll just show you guys this stuff as fast as possible. Be Pure has new hot cold pads out. They are way thicker than their old ones. You put these in the fridge, put them on your eyes. It feels fabulous. Even if like you have a headache, just kind of put it down. So great. There are new 4-packs of brushes. So we've seen in the past the 4-packs of eyeshadow brushes, but this one has like a small angled brush, plus a flat brush, plus a very large fluffy, plus a blending brush. So this is like a really good buy. They were just a little different, but the same brand, whatever brand this is, which I can't figure out. I don't think I could figure it out last time either, like with the other set that they put out. The Pro Foot has this heel rescue reusable foot mask. This thing is awesome. I've already used one of them a few times, and you wash them. So you're going to put on, your foot cream, like a real thick foot cream. And then these are very jelly-like. You just put your foot right inside, and it kind of just like holds the cream to your foot and lets it absorb. It says that you should not do it for longer than 30 minutes or something. I fell asleep with them on. I had them on for hours and it was fine. Then you just wash these. It says up to 20 washes. So they are completely reusable. Awesome find. Really, really nice. It seemed like it was better than wearing a sock for the absorption of the cream. I loved these. I couldn't pass them up. The little bows, the Disney princesses, these are for me. My daughter would never use them, but they are so cool. I love this. This is like a makeup removing towel. These were really cool. These are character Smurf Swedish scrubbers is what it says. I'm assuming it's a Swedish dishcloth. You get 2 of them. They seem to be really pretty good quality. So I had to pick that up to try them, even though I'm not really, really big on all the character stuff. I finally got one of these mini fridge pen holders. My son wanted one. So let's open it up. He just wanted one for his desk, which I think is a good idea because he has a lot of pens. But it's really cute because right here you put all the pens up at the top. But then it has this little drawer that does come out when you take off the stickers. You can put extra stuff down in the drawer. So ultra cute. I'm gonna get all the stickers off of here. It's gonna look like a little mini fridge on his desk. I think he's gonna really enjoy that. I picked up a few more of these. These are the Gibson Home glasses. I just wanna have some extras because I have a set of 8. So then I got 4 extras just so that when we break things, I have extras to replace it with. And I think these are really good quality and I really do like the patterns and I think that they're a really good buy for $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. I got an exfoliating stretch cloth. Now I've had a couple of these. They are very coarse. And so I don't recommend necessarily using these to like exfoliate, but oh my God, if your back itches really bad and you just use it to scratch your back, don't hurt yourself. It is so good. So I had to get one for comfort's sake, even though it's probably not very good for my skin. Makeup removing towels. These are great. Skintimate. These are the ones my daughter really likes. You get 2 to a pack instead of just the one that you get normally, the pink or the ones with the like the purple flowers or the lemons, so that just comes with 1. This comes with 2. And it's a brand name, so very nice. I thought I had missed out on these because, like, guys, I couldn't find them. Anyway, someone had hidden this one, and I bought it. It was the last one. I really wanted one for my vanity because it's got a 3 times magnification on the back. So on the front, it's regular, and then on the back, it's like really magnified so I can see what I'm doing when I'm putting on like, eye makeup, especially when I'm doing lining, like eyeliner. I have a hard time with eyeliner. I can't see it. I have a little burn. I burned myself, so I got a couple more of these moist burn pads. They're a really good buy at the Dollar Tree because, at the drugstore, they're going to be way more expensive. So then these are Color Vibe Nail Besties. I have the other set on. They are so pretty, guys. I hope I find these again because I'm going to stock up. I want some more of the purple, some more of the pink, and then apparently there's a pink chrome that's this shape as well, but I haven't been able to find that one yet. But they're such good quality. My husband, and this may not be available everywhere because this is like a Maryland candy. It's a Maryland brand. But Gets Candy makes caramel creams, and they're my husband's favorites, and they were at the Dollar Tree. So I was like, I'm getting those. $1.50 for caramel cream, so good. It's the caramel on the outside and the creamy on the inside. If you guys have had like cow tails, they're cow tails like chopped up. They're so good. They're like his absolute favorite. Okay, so I've tried this Heritage Root Touch Up, and I have to say, I'm gonna spray a little bit of it. It's a good spray. I definitely spray over here in this area. I'll show you guys. Okay, so it does cover pretty well. Like it is a pretty good coverage. I gotta shake it. And I think it dried. It dried pretty well. It did take a little while. So if you see that, it's like, and I got the dark brown. So they had, I said 3 on my walkthrough. I think it was 4. I think it was blonde, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. So it was nice that they had a really good color selection. I got the Blossom conditioner. I don't use shampoo from the Dollar Tree. I have to use a shampoo that is medicated because I do have like some problems with seborrheic dermatitis. So I don't have any problems if I use the medicated shampoo. But when I use other shampoos, it just bugs the heck out of me. So anyway, this has aloe vera scalp and hair conditioner is what it says. And it says moisture and nourish from root to tip. I don't usually moisturize my scalp because the problem that I have with the seborrheic dermatitis. So I will just use it as a conditioner, see how it does. This is from Blossom as well. This is a jojoba air dry lotion. And it's a hair lotion. And I do like hair creams and that sort of thing. So I wanted to give this a try. I haven't tried it yet. But it's a pretty good consistency. It smells nice. It's coconut. It's a nice fresh coconut scent. I think that that's going to go on the hair really nicely. I would probably put this on wet hair and just rub it in and, let it air dry. And my curls will probably love it. It looks like there's some really nice ingredients in it. So I'm willing to try it. I will let you guys know how it works. I got 2 of them. I couldn't help myself. Okay, so the star of my last shop with me were these, the Keratiques. I got them for 1 cent. And they were gonna take them right off of the shelves. I said, are you guys gonna take these off the shelves since they rang up 1 cent? They said yes. So I went back and I got all of them. This is like my favorite conditioner ever. And I am so glad I found them for 1 cent. I actually didn't think I was gonna find them ever again. I got the Amber Glow hand cream and Strawberry Bliss. These are so cute for your purse or for not your purse. I'm actually gonna put it up by my sink in my kitchen. So it is a pretty thick cream, you can see. I've already tried it out for a couple days. I like it. It smells good. The scent, dare I say, it lasts like more than just 5 minutes. I could smell it. It's a light strawberry scent, but I could smell it like throughout the day, just to various degrees. And it does have almond oil in it. It has petrolatum and glycerin, which right there, very hydrating. It's got shea butter. So this is a win to me. I'm gonna pick up a couple more if I see them because I'm absolutely loving it. But I absolutely love this. Like I don't know what's in here. It's glycerin petrolatum, which you can't go wrong with. Like it's the best stuff for moisturizing, really. There's some fragrance in here against shea butter, sweet almond oil, and some other very like hydrating ingredients, things that have chemical names but are very hydrating. And so I have another one of these, but the smell, it lasts all day. All day. Look at how thick that is. Lasts all day. It's so good. And it's so moisturizing. This is like a win as well. I think I'm gonna pick up the other scents. So this definitely smells like a toasted caramel. If you like a very toasty scent, which honestly I do like, I think that this is maybe better for like, instead of a spring scent, like a fall scent, but it lasts all day. I used the other one. I smelled it all throughout the day. It was wonderful. I got this is the last one because the other ones were too dark for me in the nude. I got it for one scent, but there was only one in nude, and then I guess they took the dark ones off the floor, and I'm so upset because I love the Glow foundation. I hope it's not going completely away forever. I hope they're gonna reformulate and make more colors, because that's what I really want from Be Pure. I don't want them to change the formulation necessarily, but just more color range. I found these nice hydrocortisone cream packets. I got this for my first aid kit for my car. So I thought that was a really good buy. I got a couple things from the LA Colors Aqua Glam. And then I got a little bit from the Cherry on Top collection from Ione. Now this is a soft lip veil and it is a nude, and like I just can't wait to see it because I love the lipsticks from the last line, like the Veil of Allure lipsticks. They were gorgeous. But this is gonna be like softer. It's gonna be like a blurred type of lipstick and not just like a matte kind of MAC vibe type lipstick, I think. So this is what you get. You get nice amount of product. The color is so pretty. And then let's just put it on the back of my moisturized hands. Yep. It is nice and like muted. All right, I'm gonna put it on top of what I have on. But it's super pretty. It is just really soft and really like, it feels good too. It's moisturizing. It's not highly pigmented. It is gonna be something that you're just gonna like, I don't know what to say. You're just gonna kind of put like a wash of color on that's not shiny and not sticky. That is really pretty. I think I might go back and get the other color. I got some more of the Cherry on Top items. So I did want to try the Hydrating Glow Primer or Grip Primer because I do want some more hydrating primers. I do like matte primers for filling in pores. And then quite frankly, I go over it with hydrating primers sometimes. Very thin layers because you do not want to be all cakey and awful looking. But the hydration I need at my age, and, you know, definitely for, you know, blurring out some of these non-fine lines at this point. I don't know why people call them fine lines. They're all liney all over. So that is the primer. Yeah, it does feel hydrating. I do like this. It's not too sticky yet. Let's let it dry down for a minute. It doesn't smell like cherries. So I'm a little bit surprised at that. A little bit like disappointed it doesn't smell like cherries. Okay, here is the Melting Lip Balm. The lip balm. Let's put it right on top. And so I got Wild Cherry because I thought that's like, I hope this smells like cherry. Yeah, I smell cherry. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. I don't really smell a lot. I do have a bit of a stuffy nose, so I'm hoping I'll smell it tomorrow when I don't have a stuffy nose. That is so pretty. Hydrating, pretty. Let's see. There are some nice ingredients in here. Of course, there's red dyes because it is, you know, it does have a tint to it. Okay, and the last thing I got was the Cherry Spritz Blush Butter Balm. And I think I'm gonna like this because my understanding is that this is very buildable, even though it is more sheer than some of the other products they've put out. And I like that. I kind of like that you can have a little bit more control over it. It has a light scent. I do like that. What I don't like is that it's going to be hard for me to get a brush in there. Yep, it's very nice and light. It is going to be a product, I think, where we can build on it. So pretty. Oh, and the grip primer, not too grippy, I gotta say, but it was somewhat moisturizing. Okay, that's a beautiful color. I'm gonna love putting that on. And it feels so buttery. It really feels nice. So even though it doesn't have the pigment that we're used to from Ione, beautiful. I think that's gonna be a really great product. Okay, I also got one of the Nicole Miller nail polishes. Now, I usually love lilac, like that's my favorite, but this was so pretty. It was just such a pinky orange with some sheen to it that I had to pick it up. I wanna try it the next time, or maybe 2 times after, when I do my nails. And then the last thing I got was this Deluxe Lash Applicator by Ardell. So it says, it's designed to hold a strip lash in its natural shape. The applicator makes positioning the lash effortless. So, you know, hey, that sounds like a really good idea. Oh, I never opened these. Let's open them. I've seen people opening these, and this one's Magical Mauve, and I love the packaging. Of course, it's so cute, so pretty. It makes you just happy and like enjoy kind of doing your makeup. Looking forward to doing makeup. I can't get this open, so give me a second here. Okay, got it open. So this one is Magical Mauve. So let's just see, it's so pretty. What its swatch is like. Okay, that's the swatch. And let's see. Yeah, that's blendable. It's really pigmented. That's a pretty color. And then I said both of these were blushes. They're not. One is an eyeshadow. When I went to the store initially, I could not find the Mermaid Vibes eyeshadow palette. And then someone must have hidden it. Like things were hidden all over my store. And I found it. And so I bought it because I really wanted to try this one. I really want I've been looking for like a pink. Those are pretty. That is such a pretty color. They are just beautiful. I wanted kind of like a pinky shadow moment in my life. So that's everything I got. It's a huge haul. Thank you guys for joining me. If you like this, please give it a like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so I can keep you up to date on everything that is dropping at the Dollar Tree. And if you like this video, I'm sure you'll like the next suggested video. Until next time, take care.